Okay, I want to make an alternate video about another way to add mobile basically to your site. And many of you, if you've surfed on a device, you might see a website that has an M in front of it for a mobile device. And that's what I'm going to talk about now. So the old way to do this, the days prior to having responsive web, was to really design the desktop site first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the mobile phone layout that I have. And I click there to delete it. It's still going to indicate one there, but this is my desktop layout. And so basically there is some responsiveness still integrated in because I set it up that way. And if it goes bigger beyond 960 because I didn't add a breakpoint, it's just going to add to the sides. So 960 is my basic desktop size. And that's fine. That's one strategy for dealing with this. Now, if you choose to do this under the page menu, you can go down to add alternate layout. So I'm going to add a phone layout. Okay, you can add a tablet or a phone. They give you both. And so I'll add it, and I'll say copy it from this desktop layout. We'll click OK. Okay, and so now what it's done, if we go back to our main view, you're going to see the silly site here. Okay, we've got this phone layout, and I can start to copy and paste things from my desktop layout and paste them into my phone layout. That is a bona fide way to do it. It is kind of considered old technology because it doesn't really compensate for all the different sizes there are. For example, some phones have high resolution and other phones have low resolution. Some device sizes come in 320, 480, 560. So there are so many different sizes that responsive really became the mode that most people wanted to go with as far as web design. But that being said, I can take this stuff from my desktop site. I can hit Command A and copy it, right? And then I can go to my alternate layout. In this case, I have a phone layout. And I can paste inside there. You'll notice that even within the phone layout, by the way, there is some degree of responsiveness, and you can add responsiveness. So you can do hybrid layouts between mobile responsive and tablet responsive and desktop responsive. It is something that can be done. Now, the way this is going to work, and I'll talk while I'm sort of resizing some of these things here, but the way this is going to work is that when your device, in this case a cell phone, requests this website, there's a browser on your cell phone, and it's telling the site that's serving up, okay, the person surfing on this is surfing on a cell phone. So please serve up this cell phone layout. That's this layout right now that we're working on. And it'll serve up a separate subdirectory within your web. And you know, it's kind of a neat alternate way to work around it. I know it's fallen out of favor as of lately, but it is something that you can do. I'm going to drop some of these things and start moving stuff around. I'm going to create my mobile layout here potentially. And that's basically how you do it. You kind of can create these alternate layouts. You can upload them to the web. And what it'll do is create a directory for your web page and subdirectories then for your mobile layouts for both phone and tablet.